Hello, creative explorers, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of pattern blocks to create something truly majestic. Get ready to build your very own King of the Jungle. That's right, we're making a pattern block lion. Are you excited? Let's gather our shapes and get started on this fun and colorful adventure. First things first, let's build that friendly, furry face. We're going to start with a big, bright yellow hexagon. Place it right in the middle of your space. This is the main part of our lion's head. Now, every lion needs to see the world, so let's give him some eyes. Grab two smaller white hexagons and place them on the upper part of our yellow hexagon. See, it's already starting to look like a face. For the nose, a tiny black triangle will be perfect. Just pop it right below the eyes in the center. Look at that, our lion is starting to come to life. What a cute face we've made. Next up, what's a lion without its magnificent mane? This is where we get to be really creative. We're going to surround our lion's face with a beautiful, bushy mane. Grab a bunch of orange and yellow triangles and some diamond shapes too. Start placing them all around the yellow hexagon with the pointy ends facing outwards. Don't be afraid to mix and match the colors. An orange triangle here, a yellow diamond there. The more shapes you add, the fuller and more majestic his mane will look. This part is all about having fun and giving our lion a unique personality. Keep going until his head is completely framed by this fiery, fantastic mane. It's looking absolutely brilliant. Now that our lion has a proud face and a glorious mane, it's time to give him a strong body. For this, we need a larger yellow trapezoid. A trapezoid is that shape with four sides, where one side is longer than the other. Take this yellow trapezoid and connect the shorter side to the bottom of the mane. This forms the main part of our lion's body. It looks great, doesn't it? But he can't just float there. He needs some legs to roam the savannah. So, let's find four small brown rectangles. These will be our lion's sturdy legs. Place two at the front and two at the back, coming down from the body. Now our lion can stand tall and proud. He's almost ready to go on an adventure. We're on the final step, and it's all about the details. Our lion needs a tail. A tail helps him balance and communicate. Find a thin brown rectangle and attach it to the back end of the trapezoid body. You can place it straight or at a little angle to show some movement. But wait, a lion's tail has a special feature. A tuft of fur at the end. To create this, we'll use a small orange triangle. Place it right at the tip of the brown rectangle tail. It's the perfect finishing touch. There you have it. Our pattern block lion is complete, from his fuzzy mane to the tuft on his tail. Doesn't he look amazing? Look at our incredible creation. Our pattern block lion is finished and ready to explore. He looks so brave and friendly, sitting in this colorful jungle we've made for him. You can even see some of his other pattern block animal friends in the background. You did an amazing job today. Building with pattern blocks is such a fantastic way to learn about shapes and let your imagination run wild. What other animals do you think we could make? Maybe a towering giraffe or a playful monkey. The possibilities are endless. Thank you so much for joining me and creating this wonderful lion. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Remember to keep building, keep creating, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye for now.